Hey everyone, Mary here from Love of Halls Boutique. I am going to take you with me today to pack up a few of the customer orders that came in over the last couple days. We were closed the last 2 days, which was Cyber Monday and yesterday. On Cyber Monday, we did run the promotion, 20% off on the website. We offer shipping and free in-store pickup. And then today, the vests are on sale, 30% off. So I have a few orders here. I've already printed the tickets. I'm just gonna take you with me. They are all for in-store pickup and let you see what the customers are picking out. All right, so this first order is for Tammy, and it's a V-neck sweater. It has some front lace detail, really soft, really beautiful sweater. So we are going to pick it up here in a 1XL, and I'll give you a better look once we get up to the counter on what it actually looks like. Second one is another sweater. Sweaters are big this time of year. This is one that we just put out on Sunday. The customer's name is Erica. She is my birthday twin. Our moms were best friends. They gave birth to us on the same day. She texted me and she's like, I need that in my life. So this is the sweater she picked out. It's beautiful. It has the beautiful flower detail with pearls sewn in across kind of the front shoulder and down below. So that is Erica's purchase, this beautiful sweater that is brand new, comes in small, medium, and large, and we still have 2 of each size except for now this large. The next order is for Stacy. Actually, the next 2 are for Stacy, same customer. She ordered a vest today with the promotion and then had placed a Cyber Monday deal. So Stacy is big on shopping online and then just coming in to pick it up. We love Stacy, she's a great customer. And so I'll show you, let's see, the vest that she picked out is this navy one. And should be a size large. So this is our front tie vest. You can see it has the ties on the front pockets. It also came in this nice green color over there. So this is the order from today with the vest on sale. And next up, we have a few items. So first up, this pair of jeans has become a viral hit. Thank you to Britt Clark, who wore them to the Steelers and Bills game at the Steelers Stadium. And there was a video of her from across the stadium, and you can just see her lighting up the stadium in these rhinestone jeans, and everyone has fallen in love with them. I do have a new style, which is what Stacy picked up, but the style Britt is seen in the video wearing, I do have on pre-order. So they will be back, but we do have the new style, just as beautiful. So let's see. You can see here how beautiful these are. So they kind of fade the rhinestones down, taper the leg, and then there is the accent on the back side here. So if you want these, pick them up. They go quick. We have, I think, small and medium left. We have 2 medium and 1 small. We sold the large. This was a large. I already sold a small and a large. So they're just beautiful. So definitely get them. It'd be a great New Year's Eve jean if you're going somewhere and you want to dress up a little bit. The next item, this red vest in a large, very fuzzy, very soft, with a hood. So cute. All right, time to organize the mess and get these ready for customers to pick up. And to show you the full view of this sweater, so this is the first one. It's black and charcoal, and it's hard to tell with the lighting, but there is like a crisscross in the front. Just very detailed, very soft, and we do carry sizes up to 3X as well. So this one actually came in 1, 2, and 3X. Red vest, I think we only have a small left. So just a reminder, we do have the website, loveofpauls.com. A lot of the promotions we run in store, you can also get on the website. And again, you can choose in-store pickup, which is totally free. And we do offer free shipping over 100. Otherwise, you do pay for shipping. But you know, it's a small business. It's just me. I run all aspects of this boutique. My name is Mary again, and I appreciate you tuning in and following along.